Welcome. If you want to transfer data from ZTE Axon 10 Pro to other Android smartphone, for the first you have to go for the Play Store on the both smartphones, click on the search and type here CLONEit. That is the application that you are going to use. So let's install it and then open, and do the same on the second smartphone. Right now we are sending data from the Axon, so click sender right here, tap on the allow and click receiver on the Android phone, tap on search again. Now just wait a little bit, click on this Android share icon, and we have two ways to connect. We can scan the QR code and input the password. I'm gonna scan QR code. So grab your phone, put it like that in the frame of the QR codes, accept the request. And right now when you want to take everything, you have to click on all of these icons and just select everything, right? If you get this notification, click cancel, but I'm gonna unselect it and go for the details below, because this is only the example. So I will take the downloaded photo of Justin Bieber, also the spider, and maybe also the flower. So click on the start, okay, it's sending, and as you can see it's finished. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.